Good morning, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This is a rear entry mobility wheelchair accessible van. Very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. These clamps keep these ramps from rattling around. Got the handle on either side. I can take this down using only my index finger. Very easy to do, 34-inch wide ramp. It does taper down to 32 inches there at the base. 58 inches of headroom, 56 of headroom coming inside the van. 58 inches of headroom inside the van. It does have 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney, or a stretcher in here. Between the second row of seats, there's 21 inches of room up there. A lot of times the wheelchair, the person's feet will sit, legs will sit in between at the bottom, slightly behind it. If you want more room to try and get the wheelchair farther up, we can remove a seat. We can put seats that flip up on their side. Let us know what works for you. There's no one size fits all, but give us some dimensions. Let us know what you need. We'll do our best to make it happen. Dash is in great shape. Steering wheel control, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Got all the features on the radio there. Dual climate control. Plenty of cup holders. Plugs for all your electronics. We do give a free set of pull-type 2 straight tie-downs away with each van. We're getting a new window motor for this one right here, so that window doesn't work. That motor's on its way, so we're aware of that and we're fixing it. It will be fixed before the van is sold. Come time to put the van away, reverse the process. Very easy to do, just like so. Shut the hood, shut the trunk, and you are ready to go. Quick walk around to the van. Very clean, tinted windows, 4 brand new tires. And I'm not saying this van's perfect, but it's very clean. It's hard to find a dent or a scratch on it. Been very well taken care of. Thing looks darn near brand new, so whoever's had it's taken great care of it. Also, I wanted to show you the Carfax real quick. This will populate on our website shortly, but shows no accidents or damage. 1 owner, last owned in California. Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. No total loss, no structural damage, no airbags deployed, odometer checks out good, no accidents or damage or open recalls. So everything on the van is exactly what we want it to look like. Everything looks great. And I want you to know we go the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting. As far as the rest of the interior, very clean. We always show you the VIN number. That way you know we have this vehicle in our possession, but very clean interior. I see someone's done a little stitching there, just probably a little tear, a small crack there, but overall very clean interior. I'm a non-smoker, and the Carfax shows this was a corporate vehicle, so corporate does not allow smoking in their vehicles. Very clean inside and out. We've got 2 main keys and a 3rd extra turnkey. You can see the current miles, 24,759. When I go to fire the van up, fires right up. No check engine lights on, no dummy, no airbag, no ABS, no check engine, none of that. And we've not only tested the big and the small. I've got 4 mechanics that work for me. We test everything, all the power mirrors, power windows, power locks, heat, air, cruise, and we know that window doesn't work. I told you that, but we are fixing that. This is not some van that you come look at or we ship out to you that's got a bunch of problems we didn't tell you about. That is not how I do business. Underneath the hood, 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. You can see the emissions sticker there. Everything looks just like it should underneath here. As I crawl underneath the van, you'll notice much of the same. Very clean California van, rust-free area. I don't see any signs of any bent metal. I don't see any signs of any leaks. Everything looks great. And that's the #1 mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it's low miles, they assume because it looks good in pictures, they assume because the salesman was nice to them, they automatically assume that the van runs and drives good, that doesn't have any issues. And nothing could be further from the truth. Get out there, demand a detailed video like this. If you can spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 on a mobility van, do your due diligence, tell them to get off their backside, tell them to get you a detailed video so you know exactly what you're getting. And if they won't do it, who are you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, And you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure the van is roadworthy. Good acceleration, runs and drives very nice. It pops up to about 70 miles an hour. Very clean van overall. And when I get it lined up here, steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise, so exactly what we're looking for. With that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. We highly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. Talk to me about that. Protect your investment, folks. Also keep in mind, we have a great reputation. There's a reason for that. Nobody in the country, and I mean nobody, goes the extra mile like we do to show you exactly what you're getting with Carfax reports. Detailed videos on our Google reviews. Last I saw, we had a 4.7 out of 5 stars. You can look us up on eBay. We have over 800 transactions. Everyone has left us positive feedback. That's 800 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. I'd say that's a pretty darn good reputation right there. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers online have a real nice price online, and they've got a $500 dock fee and a tag fee, administrative fee, and they've got all these fees they don't tell you about. And my question to you is, if someone's not going to be honest with you, they're not going to tell you the real price of a vehicle. If they say it should be $10,000, other than obvious taxes, there needs to be $10,000. It shouldn't be, then you factor in shipping. We do free shipping. Not many people, if anybody else, does. So that real nice price online now jumps $2,000 or $3,000, $4,000 more than what you're expecting with all these hidden fees, and the shipping that they have as well. So nice hard brake at this light. No grinding or squeaking or unusual brake noise. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And what I want to ask you back to the fees, if someone's not telling you up front the real price, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding flood damage? Are they hiding mechanical issues? Are they hiding title issues? I don't know. But if someone's not up front with me from the get-go, I am very skeptical to want to give them my hard-earned money. So also keep in mind, we have financing available. We can take an application over the phone. We can send one to your phone or email. You can see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this and Carfax reports at www.mobility316.com. If you want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. Hey, if you're more of a text messenger, if you're more comfortable doing that, 316-518-4377. That is my cell phone number. You now have the owner's cell phone number. Hey, I want you to ask the competition, especially those big companies like Mobility Works or Freedom Motors, VMI, Braun, all those big guys. Ask them, say, hey, I want you to give me the owner's cell phone number. That way, if I have an issue, I don't have to call and be put on hold and go to somebody's voicemail. I can just reach out to the owner if I need to. Are they committed enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number? Try it and find out. Let me know what they say. So, just wanted to thank you for checking out our Caravan, our video today. Check out our website for our entire inventory. And as always, thanks so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.